definitely knocked my alignment out. What's up, guys? Today we're just gonna go on another little wagon adventure. Got the wagon out. I've actually just turned onto the road that we're gonna be going up for hitting the mountains, which are way over there. Way over there. So I guess we'll see how far we can make it today. I got my GoPro, I'll do POV driving, and yeah, this is already very slick. Very slick. It's all packed snow, so it's ice. But yeah, let's go on an adventure. This is one of the biggest reasons I don't really invest in keeping this car up to par and daily driving it all the time, because I'm in fourth gear right now, fighting like 50-mile-an-hour winds, and it's just barely like maintaining speed. I'm not even going the speed limit yet. I just don't want to kill the car, but yeah, just like, yeah, it's taking a lot for the poor car to keep up with highway speeds and fight the wind. And those are the mountains we're going to be going up through, so just so you can see how far we're going to be going today. Alright, I just turned on the first stretch going up here, and it's already snow, so we'll see how bad this gets. Quite a long ways on a dirt road before we get to the actual like trail going up to the mountain, so I'll probably just pick up when we get closer. That way it's not so boring. I don't know how well you can see that on the GoPro, but it's starting to get a little closer, but you can see the road just winds all the way up, all the way down, back and forth until we actually get to the mountains. So getting there. Look at them cows. Starting to get where you can see these giant boulders. Oh, there's a big bump. Yeah, we're getting closer to the mountains now. All these big boulders everywhere. It's starting to become more of a trail than a road. That's for sure. The boulders getting bigger and bigger as you go up. Look at that. It's bigger than my car. It is getting pretty rough though. Oh, yeah, that one's... The little banging you can hear is my knuckle hitting the coil spring, because it's lifted 2 inches, so it kind of brought the knuckles in a little bit. So when I hit a big bump, it'll tap the coils, the spring a little bit, but don't hurt nothing. It just sounds bad. It's funny because you can see the further we get up, the less people have gone this far, because there's not any, I don't know if there's any, I think there's one more ranch up here. So now the road has fresh snow on it still. It's not all packed. Less tire tracks. No one's been down this way. I'm gonna stop here for a minute at this campground, or whatever this is, I don't know, and film actually another video, so you get to see behind the scenes of this. One of my other hobbies of many are little trucks, so I'm gonna do a little RC crawler video from my other YouTube channel, Poverty_Society, if you want to check that out. Also the Instagram too, but figured I'm gonna be out in the wilderness, I might as well do a little video because I haven't posted on there for a while. But yeah, I'll do this and then we'll get back to driving up there further that way. All right, let's go up further in the mountains. saw that there's a giant, just random hole on the side of the road. The snow makes it hard to see all the holes too, but that doesn't help. A random giant patch of ice. The water must flow over when it melts. Sun's about to go down under the mountains. Hopefully it doesn't get too dark out here. Big holes. There we go. Like these giant potholes are like rock crawling for this little car. Just a random rock poking through the road. Giant hole. I'm gonna have to get some pictures on the way back down of see if I can get some flex out of this thing. Alright, well, we made it to as high as we can. We can't drive past this point. It turns into a walking trail or hiking trail, whatever. So I'm going to do a little more footage on the RC truck and we'll head back down. I'm proud of the little thing. I mean, it was quite a trip coming up here. Alright, we'll start our descent back down to pavement. It's getting dark, or it's going to be getting dark here pretty quick because the sun's already down below the mountain line. So yeah, we'll hit the road, hit the trail, whatever it is. That was a bad bump. It's too rough up here. one of those bumps definitely knocked my alignment out, and then I came down and looked, and it's because of the control arm. You can see the little red flakes of paint on the ball joint boot. Yeah, this slid a little bit, so yeah, I don't know. I mean, maybe it was just a big enough bump to do that, but yeah, I'll just have to adjust that tomorrow. And just like that, we made it back to pavement. Alright guys, made it back home. There was a lot less snow up there than I thought there would be, because I've been watching it snow in the mountains for like a week now, like every other day, but still fun drive. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like it, I appreciate a like. Subscribe if you want to stay up to date with the builds and the projects and the adventures, and follow my Instagram, Kanjo_brothers, if you want to see more content on there. And as always, thank you guys for watching.